Hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube channel. Today I got another unboxing. I just bought this yesterday from Amazon and just came the next day and free delivery. So this is for my MacBook, by the way. So that's all good. And you know the yellow stickers always comes with it. I had to give that one to my brother. At the moment, my little brother is way too fascinated with stickers. So this is what we got is clear case. You're wondering why did you get a clear case for? I got a clear case, then I can add some stickers on top. Okay. Now I just need to figure out make a pair of scissors. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I've got a pair of scissors and just cut it a little bit on the top off camera. Okay, they put on a 2 layer plastic on top. Why would they put 2 layer plastic on top? There's no need for that. Maybe it's possibly double protection, maybe. Anyways, let's get on top. Okay, so we finally got somewhere. Obviously we've got instructions, which I know how to use again. So this is the clear case, nice and shiny. So that one is the top case. This one I'm doing is the bottom case. Okay, so now we've got the bottom and the top. So now I am going to get my MacBook and put these on. Okay, so there she is. Beautiful MacBook. So what I'm going to do is put on the bottom one first. This should fit because I got it for this specific size for it. So making sure that, yep, one side is now in, and now I'm putting on the next piece over the top. I think I'm going to put the here we go. The MacBook case is now onto the MacBook, nice and shiny, and I can add any stickers I like. I didn't get any stickers yet, so if I do, then I will place stickers. And the stickers definitely put it is this corner, that corner here, this corner, and also this corner. And yeah, so I definitely would add some stickers onto it. So apart from that, this is the MacBook case and the MacBook itself. And yeah, I am planning to get 2 more accessories for this MacBook as well. When, don't know, but again, I will do an unboxing video for that. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys